Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we will be doing a bound flow. Let's get to it. Let's begin standing. Inhale, sweep both hands high to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. Syncing our breaths. Take a deep breath in, fill up all the way. Deep breath out. Bind both hands behind your low back, punch your fists down, lift your chest high, take a back bend, and then forward fold, bend both knees, drive your fists forward. Maybe play with bending one knee, shifting the hands to one side, and bending the other, swaying a bit side to side. Inhale, halfway lift, punch your fist back, sweep both hands forward and fold down. Inhale, halfway lift, step your right leg back, high crescent lunge, sweep both hands high. You're on your back tippy toes, find a bind behind your low back, punch your fist down. Shift forward and down, humble crescent with the bind. Still driving your fist forward. Left shoulder inside of the left knee. Slowly rise, taking a back bend and then stepping your right leg forward, chair pose with the bind. Sink your hips low and back, shifting the weight into your heels. Exhale, forward fold. Gently release the hands down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step your left leg back. High crescent with your left leg back, right leg forward. Deep bend in your right knee. Bind your hands behind your low back. Punch your fists down. Exhale, humble crescent. Right shoulder inside of right knee. Squaring your shoulders off to the front. Slowly rise, take that back bend, and then step your left foot down, chair pose. Sink your hips back, chest is proud. One-legged Tadasana, right knee comes up into your chest. Maybe straighten out that leg. To your warrior three, stamp your right heel back behind you. Your chest and your leg are lifted. Exhale, chair pose. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Left knee comes up into your chest. Stamp your leg forward. And then swing it back for your warrior three. Flex your left foot. Square off the hips. Keep breathing. Step your left leg down. Inhale, lift, exhale, fold. Lowering the hands down, forward fold. Thank you guys so much for joining me. This was Flow with Sky. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you next week. Bye.